The cases were the
We'll give it with
burger
15 minutes ago.
and the happer.
Take where 3:33:77 Mercer University. When you are the door, I was at dump. Look. Hey.
And so, okay, is it the business heading there?
In the switches to turn it on, and I heard a noise like in the door. There's a door right there, and and then all was it. He was like some ace. I don't know if he called me pull up because there's a sign on the door that I put up the other day. So I don't know if he was expecting me because I'm here every day. But I think they know like I'm here every day. He to give them the money. The people that own the rest of the store, they ain't doing that. Finish it. Did on them thing. It looked like a real guy. I'm pretty sure it was. And I had to go.
The screwshare person?
Yeah. Him love the the and the dude wasn't covering the back, and then I ran right back the door.
Was he on foot or in a vehicle?
It sounded like he was yelling to somebody else as he was running after I closed the door. It sounded like he was yelling to somebody else. But what happened was, as he was leaving, he said to me, he said, "Best believe that we put this sword too." And I was thinking to myself, the Gray Highway location, but it was better this morning at 7 o'clock for like 10 minutes because I had left something that I was looking for. And I mean, I should be on camera about it, was there. And I mean, make it a note, was there like 7 this morning for 10 minutes. And she anything couldn't really anything was just looking there.